You had protected us as the apple of your eye. We had experienced your love, care, protection in all ups and downs of our life. In our tears, joy, laughter, we felt your presence. In this new year, we offer and pray for our principal and management, staff, and students. Touch and bless each one of us in this Jubilee of Tarasadan with much love and gratitude. We invite you, Lord, in our midst to guide us, to lead us, and to bless us so that we may do our best for you and your people. Bless us, Lord, that we may become the strong instruments in your hands to reach your message, the message of love to all the people we come to contact with. Bless us and keep us always with you. Amen.
Today, as we are celebrating the feast of Saint Shavaram, through the intercession of Saint Shavaram, we offer our entire school, all the students, all the teaching and non-teaching staff, all the well-wishers, benefactors, the parents of all the students, our principal, manager, the management team. Saint Shavara was a man who introduced the concept of school as it is in this present form in 18th century. He felt the need to enlighten the future generation, the society, with education. We all are affected very much by the pandemic COVID-19. 2020 is passed away from us. We have stepped in 2021. But still, the scars and the marks of COVID-19 is not yet removed from our lives, from our minds. Many have lost their lives. Many have lost their dear and near ones. Many have lost their husbands. Many have lost their wives. Many have lost their children. Many have lost their jobs. Many have come to the disappointment. In the life of Saint Shavara, he also had gone through the same pain in its extreme level. At the age of 13, he lost his parents and his only brother because of a pandemic. He became all alone. There was nobody to tell. My own. He felt very lonely. At that tender age of 13, he cried a lot. And to his cries, to his sorrows, God himself answered, I am with you till the end of time. When his father and mother died away, when his only brother died away, when all the family, nobody was there in his family, he felt God, the supreme power, is with him. And in that extreme pain, he called God, my Father. That was his God experience. And so, God was not something or somebody or some power up above in heaven, but God was his Father, who understands his emotions, who understands his feelings. Let us experience the same God experience that Saint Chavra had during his life, that gave him strength and power to move ahead, to go ahead and to do marvelous things for the welfare of the society, to reform the society, that he became a man before the ages or before the century, a man who could make changes for centuries. Let us be silent and listen to this melodious song.
स्वर को प्रेम से तूने पुकारा, ध्यान की बेला में दिव्यानुभूति से स्वर्ग का द्वार तूने खोला है राम। अब्बा शब्द से स्नेह भरे भाव से ईश्वर को प्रेम से तूने पुकारा, ज्ञान की बेला में दिव्यानुभूति से स्वर्ग का द्वार तूने खोला है राम। इंद्रधनुष सा मेरा चावला, अचन प्रभा सा पवित्रता में सदा हमें तू चला, पावन हमें बना पिता चावला, पिता चावला।
Thank you, Sister Grace, Sister Rani, Diksha ma'am and teachers for elevating hearts to the heavenly realm.
Today we are celebrating the feast of Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavra. His feast falls on 3rd January. Since it was Sunday, we are celebrating his feast today. Every year we remember his great work he has done to reform mankind. His sayings and teachings still relevant even in 21st century. May I invite Sanjita Sharma of class 5th D to express her views on Saint Chavra in her unique style.
I wish a very warm good morning to my respected sister principal, teachers and my dear friends. आज मैं आपके सामने एक स्लोगन प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ जो कि संत चावरा को समर्पित है। सूर्य समान शोभित, सूर्य समान चलित, सूर्य समान शोभित, सूर्य समान चलित, सप्तरंगी प्रभापूर्ण बहुमुखी प्रतिभा, कर्म साधनाहीन की मिसाल है, कर्म साधनाहीन की मिसाल है। ज्ञानमया के द्वारा दीन दलितों एवं जन जन का बढ़ाया हुआ हौसला अपार है, जन जन का बढ़ाया हुआ हौसला अपार है। जब और तब की भक्ति झील में, जब और तब की भक्ति झील में नव चेतना के सुमन खिलाकर, वचन कर्म को प्रार्थना बनाकर, वचन कर्म को प्रार्थना बनाकर, भक्ति में दिव्यानुभूति में स्वर्ग द्वार जिसने खोला, ईश प्रेम का अक्ष दिखाकर, ईश प्रेम का अक्ष दिखाकर, कार्मल की ज्योति में अर्पित, कार्मल की ज्योति में अर्पित, संन्यास द्वार जिसने खोला, संन्यास द्वार जिसने खोला। भारत का गौरव इंद्रधनुष सा चमकाकर, भारत का गौरव इंद्रधनुष सा चमकाकर, चावरा पिता तूने अपने संदेशों को जन जन तक बोला, जन जन तक बोला। समय को गति देने वाले युग प्रभावी पथ प्रदर्शक, समय को गति देने वाले युग प्रभावी पथ प्रदर्शक, महान संत चावरा तुझे मेरा बारंबार प्रणाम है, बारंबार प्रणाम है। Thank you everyone.
Thank you Sanjita for the inspiring words you have said about Saint Chavra.
Saint Chavra was a man of God, a contemplative, a mystic, and a man of action and passion. He longed to see the face of God. That was his only ambition, that was his aspiration. In his constant union with God, he was the man who walked holding the hands of God. From his heart flowed the poem of mystic experience. May I invite Chami Jain of class 8A to express the glimpse of what Saint Chavra experienced by reciting his poem.
Son of mercy, God incarnate, who the ugly form of man assumed, to uproot him from the slush of sin, the Redeemer of humankind. I long to see, I long to see, I long to see, I long to see, long to see, I long to see, I long to see, I long to see. He concealed in his form the effulgence that dims the stars. The nature of God is the highest. From mercy to vision, I long to see. How he stayed for 9 months in the womb of his mother, I long to see. Born in a womb to Bethlehem, he came to obey mighty gestures. I long to see, I long to see, I long to see, I long to see, long to see, I long to see, I long to see, I long to see. God becoming one with man, Emmanuel, I long to see. Emmanuel, I long to see. Emmanuel, I long to see. Thank you.
Thank you, Chami, for your beautiful voice and for the melodious experience.
Great men are not born, men become great not by birth but by action. Saint Chavra became great by his works. He was a social reformer, he was a champion of education, for it was he who started the school in 18th century. It was he who started and propagated the mass media. He was a great scholar, philosopher, he knew 7 languages, and he was a humanitarian who could sense the pain of human. May I invite Anjali Goswami ma'am to enlighten us the role that Saint Chavra has done for the women empowerment. Good morning. Festal greetings of Saint Chavra to one and all present here. Saint Chavra was born on 10th February 1805 in Kainakari, Kuttanadu, Kerala. He was a social reformer who initiated reforms in the Kerala society. He played a major role in educating and uplifting people, especially of the lower ranks of the society. Empowerment can be defined in many ways. However, when talking about women's empowerment, empowerment means accepting and allowing women who are on the outside of the decision-making process into it. Women's empowerment is the most crucial point to be noted for the overall development of the country. Women in 18th century, the average age for marriage rested with 15 years, which was the reason that most young women could not satisfy their positions as mothers. The only profession women could have was that of a wife and mother. A respectable woman was nothing but the potential mother of children. The married woman was considered to have neither rights nor property due to the fact that with the marriage all her property exchanged automatically to her husband. She neither was able to enter into contracts nor to sue or be sued. Moreover, she had no legal rights over her children and unbelievably nowadays had no right to leave the house without the permission of her husband. Power of women. Women, a statue of sacrifices and suffering, an idol of bearing and blessings. She is the creative force of the universe. Life proceeds through her, and her life in itself is an open book of morals. The more we will read, the more we will learn. Her heart is the ocean of emotions. The deeper we descend, the enormous we will discover the treasure of love, care, and strength. The treasure which remained unperceived by the world, but the eyes of Saint Chawra has seen it. Women of others, the society. He looked at the women with that perspective with which she was never looked before. He sighted in a woman, a warrior, who had the strength to win the world. He says women should not consider themselves inferior to men. In fact, he considers them far superior than men. He encourages her to explore herself. He expects from her that she should access her capabilities and motivates her to use these capabilities for their own betterment. Challenges of present scenarios. Even today, in this fast-developing world, she is leading a backward and insecure life. Her life is threatened since when she is conceived by her mother in her womb and remains under threat till she breathes her last. From the time she is born, she becomes the victim of discrimination. Crime against women are increasing with a rapid rate. Rape, acid throwing, dowry killings, honor killings, and the forced prostitution of young girls has become a serious issue. She bears these sufferings her entire life. Violence against women and girls is a problem of uplifting the status of women by Saint Chawra. Chawra turned his attention also towards the deplorable condition of women in the society. He wanted to enhance the dignity of women and make them self-reliant. Here too, he founded this congregation for women at a time when education and empowerment of the women folk were not even dreamt of. Through the empowering of women, he aimed at the renovation of families and the larger society. His vision was to bring the downtrodden women to the forefront and to reach out to the larger society through these empowered women. Message to women. He wants to enter women with the message that life is not a bed of roses, it's a bed of thorns, and there will always be people around who will misguide you. But you have to be so stiff in your principles that no power in this world can force you to stoop. These empowering words fill the heart of women with valor. He invites women to live consecrated lives and share their strength with the whole community. He seems to say that women have the right to take decisions about their lives and they have inner capacity for the same. Thus, according to him, this right must be affirmed and guaranteed. He encourages the girls of Kerala to risk their lives and offer them to God in firm faith. He says to women that your faith in God and in yourself should be unwavering. His words and work to empower women makes him a champion of women empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of inspirations and information.
Saint Chawra had an outstanding personality. He is considered as a friend of student and so he wants to tell a lot to his student. May I invite Samriddhi Sharma of class 2 to say the vision that Saint Chawra had about students.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज समृद्धि शर्मा। मैं आज आपको संत चावड़ा के अमृत विचार सुनाने जा रही हूँ। बच्चों, तुम माता पिता के हाथ की निधि हो। प्रभु से प्रेम और भय करने वाले बच्चे अपने माता पिता से प्रेम और आदर करेंगे। अपनी माता जी से आश्रय रखो। माता की प्रार्थना बच्चों की विनती के रूप में पिता परमेश्वर सुनेंगे। भोजन शरीर के पोषण के लिए जितना जरूरी है उतना प्रज्ञा पवित्रता के लिए आवश्यक है। प्रतिदिन स्कूल जाए, वहाँ प्रत्येक सप्ताह में सिखाए हुए भाग याद करते रहे। आलस्य अनेक बुराइयों की जड़ है। तुम्हारे मित्र प्रभु भक्त हो। तुम बोलोगे तुम्हारा मित्र कौन है, मैं बोलूँगा कि तुम कौन हो। अश्लील किताबें घर में सुरक्षित रखना भूसे में आग छिपाने के समान है। नियत रूप से आध्यात्मिक ग्रंथ पढ़े, उन पर मनन केंद्रित करे ताकि वे बुद्धि को आलोकित करे। समय की पाबंदी से अनुशासित रहें। अश्लील परिवेश में पढ़ने से देवदूत जैसा तुम्हारा स्वभाव शैतानी में बदल जाएगा। संध्या समय पर घर में होना और पारिवारिक प्रार्थना में भाग लेना अनिवार्य है। श्रद्धापूर्ण पवित्र जीवन बिताने के लिए प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को अपनी उम्र के अनुसार वेशभूषा में मर्यादा और शालीनता का ध्यान रखें। अधिक वेशभूषा और अलंकार हमें पापों में गिराएंगे। प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को अपनी परिस्थिति के अनुसार शारीरिक श्रम करे। तुम्हारा सामर्थ्य व क्षमता अपने जीवन में अनुशासन, ईश्वर भक्ति और मन व इंद्रियों को वश में करने हो। तुम सत्य और न्याय से प्रेम करो। धोखेबाजी और झूठ से कमाया हुआ धन बर्फ के समान जल्दी ही पिघल जाएगा। तुम्हारे सत्य व्यवहार से सब आपसे प्रेम करे, ना आपसे डरे। दूसरों की भलाई ना करने का दिन तेरे जीवन में ना हो। गरीबों की निंदा व उनको तंग ना करे। बच्चों, शरीर और बुद्धि का विकास होकर बड़े हो जाने के बाद अपने माता पिता की देखभाल बहुत विनम्रता और मंजूरी के साथ करें। सगे भाई बहनों से घृणा ना करें। बुढ़ापे में अपने माता पिता की सेवा या देखभाल करना बच्चों का कर्तव्य है। नम्र व्यक्ति हमेशा सबसे उत्तम और उन्नत होता है। बच्चों का भविष्य निर्माण ईश्वर के हाथों में है और चुनने का अधिकार बच्चों के हाथों में है। दुख और बीमारियों को ईश्वर की इच्छा समझ के उन्हें समर्पित करें। आप लोग कीमत पर खरीदे गए हो, इसलिए ईश्वर के अधिकार में हो। अंतिम समय उनको ही सौंपोगे। मर्यादा के साथ निर्विघ्न तथा शांत जीवन बिताने लायक सद्गुण संपन्न जीवन साथी को तुम चुन लो। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Samriddhi, for you are very prompt and smart.
Celebration is not a celebration if there is no merriment and joy. I invite the school choir for the greeting song of the day.
फूलों ने थाली
Thank you, friends, for multiplying our joy.
The year 2020, we were locked up during the lockdown period. In the lockup and lockdown, we had online classes and competition. May I request Mahima ma'am to announce the winners of various competitions.
A very pleasant morning to one and all. I am really excited to announce the result this time because these are the first for the session of 2020-21. So I would like to call the principal to come on stage to present the prizes to the winner. We start with the inter-school competition on the occasion of Teachers' Day, and the category for the English speech script from class 6 to 8. Third prize goes to Arush Pathak from class 6A. Arush Pathak from class 6A. Second, on occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, category English speech script from class 6 to 8. Second prize goes to Charmi Jain from class 8A. On occasion of Children's Day, category Hindi speech video clip. From class 3rd and 4th, first prize goes to Falak Ragvanshi, 4th C. Again, on Children's Day, category English speech competition video clip for class 5th, first prize goes to Sanchita Sharma, 5th D. Next is the Chabra Fest competition 2020-21. First, Sayings of Saint Chabra from class KG, class 1st and 2nd. Second prize goes to Samriddhi Sharma, class 2nd C. Next category, slogan recitation from class 3rd and 5th. From class 3rd to 5th, first prize goes to Sanchita Sharma from 5th D. Poem recitation from class 6 to 8, third prize goes to Charmi Jain, class 8th A. And the next category, essay writing for the teachers. First prize goes to Anjali Goswami Miss Anjali Goswami. And second goes to Paresh Vyas sir. Paresh sir. And the important one, overall trophy for this Chabra Fest competition that too our school have received. So I request all the participants to come on stage. That is Samriddhi Sharma, Sanchita Sharma, Charmi, Anjali ma'am and Paresh sir. Overall trophy for the Chabra Fest. Next, Valley Education exam conducted in February 2020. So all India level among the schools belonging to CMC congregation for class 10, one among all the top 10 students, Rhythm Jane stood first, 2020 batch. Rhythm Jane. She is having the cash amount of 3,000 rupees. Congratulations to each and every participant.
Thank you, ma'am, for cheering us with your announcement.
Every day comes with new messages, new inspirations and new invitations to accomplish. May I invite our dear Principal Sister Merlin to inspire us with words of motivation.
So once again, a very good morning and a happy new year to my students and the teachers. Of course, we had wished on 2nd. Students, we are gathering for the first time on this whole year. So it's a very blissful day for us. Respected Sister Jasin, the Superior, Sister Rani, the Vice Principal, sisters, my dear teachers and loving children, once again a warm wishes of this new year. The human heart makes plans, but the answer that the tongue utters is from the Lord. It's a sentence from the Bible. Many didn't have the time to spend with the family members, but the COVID pandemic trained the people to be at home, to be with our own, to sit together, to eat together, and overall to pray together. But the outcome of all these trials and the crucial situations is that we all have learned to overcome the difficulties and became ready to face the hardships. There is someone about whom I just want to share with you. That is Booker Washington, a slave who lived in America. Being a slave, he could not go to school for the studies because it's a custom that the slaves are not permitted, and he had to go to the field to work, though being a child. But the wish to study in him did not prevent him from his efforts. He did his studies, and at the age of 16, he finished his basic studies. He wanted to take admission in a college. Being a slave, you know the disparity. Being a slave, he was rejected the admission in the college. But he did not withdraw from there. He told, I will work as a sweeper in this college. And you have to understand the intention behind. He started working as a sweeper. Side by side, he took all his efforts to make his studies. And the way he was doing his work and the study, the authority could not prevent him from giving the admission in the college. and he proved himself. After completing all his studies, he started a university by his own. And this is the way he proved himself. Today we celebrate the feast of Saint Chavara, who changed the face of Kerala and brought up this state into the front line of literacy. We have seen the person, Booker Washington, who never withdrew himself from the rejections and all the trials he had, but he faced his life with courage. In the same way, Saint Chavara too, at the age of 10, he joined the seminary. The seminary means where the boys are taken for the religious studies in that time in Kerala. Even now it is there. And the age of 10 he joined. But within 2 or 3 years, he is getting the news that his own mother, father and his brother passed away because of the pandemic which was prevailing in that time, and nobody could save them. The relatives came to the seminary where he was doing his studies. You come back home, all the wealth and everything is at loss. You leave your religious studies, leave the idea of becoming a priest and come back home to save your house and your wealth. And you know the answer, what he did? He gave the answer, the Lord is my portion, my cup. I trust in him alone and he will look after everything. Mighty, he has allowed us to gather together here. As we had heard in the beginning in the prayer, many could not see this day. They have lost their lives, and we are lucky to be here. Nude person who will be useful for the house, useful for the school, useful for the society. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sister, for the beautiful message and for words of blessing.
When the heart is full, we have no words to explain. Words transform into music and it takes a unique expression into the atmosphere. May I invite Siddhi Jain of class 9 for a song of Saint Chavara.
पूनम रात के हे चंद्र के वैसाख ऋतु की चंद्र किरणें स्वर्गिक पिता के महिमा संदेश को कारमल की ज्योति है शुभ मंगलम चावर पिता को अभिवादनम पूनम रात के हे चंद्र के वैसाख ऋतु की चंद्र किरणें स्वर्गिक पिता के महिमा संदेश को कारमल की ज्योति है शुभ मंगलम चावर पिता को अभिवादनम पूनम रात के हे चंद्र के धरा को पावन मार्ग दिखा के कृष्ण का विश्वस्त दास बना के कर्म व कर्म को पुण्य बनाकर, कर्म व कर्म को पुण्य बनाकर, प्रार्थना को नित्य ही अपना कर, धरती का तू मिसाल बना। पूनम रात के हे चंद्र के, वैसाख ऋतु की चंद्र किरणें, स्वर्गिक पिता के महिमा संदेश को, कार्मल की ज्योति है शुभ मंगलम। चावर पिता को अभिवादनम, चावर पिता को अभिवादनम। पूनम रात के हे चंद्र के। थैंक यू।